Rush quiz there. It was like, how do I solve it? I'm like, I know how to solve Rush quiz. Because one time I was at this party, sitting alone, and I couldn't stop thinking to myself. Yeah, I was holding a glass of punch. I was just thinking to myself, they don't know I'm top 3 at the time. They don't know I'm top 3 2-wide rush mode on the leaderboard. That's all I can think about.
I mean, sounds about right. I'd be thinking about that as well if I were you.
It's a legend. It just makes me think of the legendary image. They don't know I'm a sub 20 sprinter. I think it was posted by Duck in the UC lounge.
Yeah, it sounds about right.
But yeah, I am a top tier rush player, and I'm breaking the magician's code by sending solves. Except the hard ones.
Except for the hard ones.
Yeah, I had to work kind of hard to find them, so it's like, I'm going to keep it to myself. I'm going to intentionally use greed to harm the environment. I burn fossil fuels for no other energy purpose but to harm the environment.
I see. So, how much do you burn a year?
Oh man, I can't even keep count these days. It's just too many,
An hour.
Oh man, so much.
I've
already it's 2022 just started and I already beat my previous record for the most burnt in a single year.
What the fuck?
Oh man, it's crazy. My greed will harm the environment with 2-wide rush T-spin puzzles.
I wouldn't say it's the most noble of goals out there, but
it's not noble. I'm evil. I am just I don't know. I'm just
sounds about right. Not Puro Overload. What a terrible environment destroyer. Can't even keep track of burned fossil fuels.
No, I'm a great environment destroyer. Only 6. I can make it 7.
Could I read Twitch chat? Thank you. The 2 operators. I hate the both of you.
Okay. It's not during a match.
Yeah.
You're allowed to read it during
chat.
You can do it when it's not during a match.
No, because the our lovely 2 operators, David and Jericho, they just kept tapping out. They just kept tapping out to play Jatrus against Cold Clear.
Dude. Really? Also, the players are prepared.
I see. Match is ready. Right.
Yeah.
We didn't even get any update. Yeah, but it's it's going to be Wilson versus Blue.
That's crazy.
Expecting...
The Wilsonator versus the Pluinator.
The hell does that? The Pluinator?
Well, it would something like Ploopy would make more sense, but I don't know if they have that as their username anywhere.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, it's begun. Oh wait, this is the warm up. This is the warm up. I was pranked.
I mean,
oh my goodness.
It's begun. That's for sure.
Is Plu the only X rank here?
No. We got pushed to the losers bracket, so that's definitely not the case.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
We talked about this.
Yeah, we did, but what if it was just some 10 APM player who just completely flew off the mental game or something,
Mental game?
Yeah, what if it was just a huge upset, you never know.
I mean, I suppose.
Yeah, but wow, a deciding warm-up match.
Yeah. Blue takes a
God
win for
dang.
that.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Moving
And
on
I
to the main
return.
set. Yeah.
Oh, it's begun. Wilson versus Plu. DT and wow, MKO. That's even rare. Why did
And that's a 2T
that wasn't
MKO. That's like that's
did
like what?
correct me
Okay,
if I'm
and
wrong,
that's a
did they
washing
do a
machine.
decent single? Was that the decent single MKO?
I know.
Yeah,
that's
that's
what
the
you get.
decent singler's price.
Yeah, that's what you get for using that.